Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing another recycling video, which is I'm recreating an old item. For this video I actually bought this dress that you can see in the picture and I thought it has a potential, so I started to actually do it really fast because I really wanted to take it on a trip, and I failed, so I didn't take it. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it correctly. If you think that recreating something old and making it new, it's easy, it's really hard because it takes more time than, you know, creating something from fabric. This was really hard because this dress has a lot of pearls and a lot of them were missing, so I wanted to shorten it up, fill the gaps, and also add a very spaghetti bretelles. So I started to actually unplug all of the things that this dress was connected in the top, as you can see. And because this is a quite old dress, you know, it's really sensitive, and the fabric that the beads are actually placed on, they are also very sensitive fabric, so if you pull a little bit too much you can rip it, and I ripped it many times. So be very careful when you're working with the beads. The second thing, of course, I'm using my basic patterns for the guidance to see if the dress fits me. Unfortunately this dress is really big, which is also really good because you can always take out more. If the dress was small, you know, we will have to add. So it was perfect, so I needed to actually take away like 1.5 centimeter from the waist, and I used my basic pattern to actually guide myself where I need to do changes. I did exactly the same thing for the inner lining, as you can see, which is this beautiful pink color, and I did this also for the bead face fabric that is beaded. Also I realized they kind of use like a closing on the sides, so I was like, I have to do this because this fabric will actually fridge out and it will make holes in the fabric, so that's why I did. The second step is I had a little extra fabric on the bottom, as you can see here, and this I used to actually make loops that I actually placed to close the fabric or the seams for my dress. Then of course when I have done with my loops, I also added them on the top and I used them for the bretelles, so all around the edges on the top area of the dress. And once I did that, of course there were many pieces where were missing beads, so all of the beads that I plucked out, I actually sewed them back again. So I refilled them. As you can see, I was trying to keep all of the beads together, but this took time. It actually took me like 1 day. So I hand sewed all of the beads, and in the part that they were actually missing, which was the back where the zipper is, I also added a little hook for the zipper because I wanted to have good closure there, as you can see. And that was it. I filled all of the gaps, and the last step was to actually fold the lower line to also have a good, beautiful ending. So that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon again. See you till then. Hejdå!